So let's get started with our trading today. I have already analyzed and selected all currency pairs with the most optimal movement pattern for today, and of course, the highest payout percentages, and came to the conclusion that today we will trade using these indicators, such as the alligator fractal with default settings and the MACD oscillator with periods of 5, 7, and 10. Let's go ahead and start with the $500 deal. Let's select our first currency pair. Here I want to open a trade for an increase in the direction of the trend. Our trend is upward. Let's select the work area. Here in principle, entering a deal is not difficult for us. Earlier, I immediately saw good volumes shown on the MACD histogram. Here we should form a new local minimum since a price correction has occurred. And in general, our trend has an upward trend. In this case, I see that there is a reversal of the alligator moving averages, so I think that the further dynamics of our movement should go upward. That is why we open a bullish trade here. Let's watch its result. So we close the first deal to zero, but I'm sure that further dynamics should go up. So we'll put $1,000 and continue trading. Continue the analysis. Our entry logic is absolutely the same here. I'm seeing intersections already happening of our alligator moving lines in this point, and this is a good sign for further upward movement. Let's see the result. We have about 30 seconds left. Once again, our login logic is absolutely the same. We were just a little unlucky in the first deal. And our first, or rather second trade, closes in positive territory. But here I was more than sure that the nearest candle should go up. Perhaps I was even a little lucky, but here I was guided by the intersection of sliding lines. Let's change the amount of the transaction value. I think we'll put 890, and let's continue trading and select the next currency pair. Here I will also open a trade for an increase. Here I will open against the trend, and in this case, I focus on the MACD oscillator. Let's select the work area. Previously shown downward volumes on the histogram. And in this area, I detected the upward intersection of the moving line and the MACD signal line. We also have a new local minimum forming here. Accordingly, I think that our further dynamics should go upward. So for us, most likely, this deal will close in the red. The dynamics of our movement have gone downhill again. So I'll immediately bet $1,000 on the next deal. And let's continue trading. Let's not be upset in general. The entry was not bad. We also had a touch of the support area here, so overall a little unlucky. Let's continue and select the next currency pair. And here, I will open a trade to increase in the direction of the trend. Previously, we saw that our movement dynamics had a pronounced upward character. And in this area, we have had a price correction, and our price went down and updated its global price minimum. The stage of recovery, so to speak, has begun for us, and the dynamics of our movement have rushed upward. There is also an intersection of the alligator's moving lines, telling us that further dynamics should go upward. That is why we are opening a trade for an increase here. We don't look at volumes here. We need to stick to the trend. And as I said, our trades are closed in plus. Let's open 2 trades for the entire balance. Put the amount of the value of 935 and open 2 trades in the amount of $1,870. Let's continue and select the next currency pair. And here I'll open 2 trades for an increase for the continuation of the trend. I waited until this candlestick, which was the previous one, would turn around and go down. Then I would open a bearish trade. And would have understood that we should have a price correction, a price rollback. But this did not happen, so here I also follow the trend. The moving lines of the alligator are directed upward, indicating a sign of strong upward dynamics. Next, we broke through to the previous price maximum, and accordingly, now a new one will form, and I am more than sure that our further dynamics should also go upward. We also saw a double intersection here. The first one was from bottom to top. Now, our intersection is going from bottom to top. The first was from top to bottom, more precisely, and the trades are closed without problems. In a plus in general, everything is as I said, an excellent result for today, and I propose to fix it. Let's move on to the withdrawal. The amount of today's profit will be $2,500. Withdrawal operation we are running successfully. This is such an interesting trade today. I am completely satisfied with the result. Great profit. If you still have any questions about the use of these indicators and this strategy, then in the description under the video, I will leave a link to my Telegram. Go ahead, you can write to me, and I will definitely help you. And of course, good luck to everyone in trading, and see you soon.